ẹ̀wọ̀n Egbere rèé o. Ayé Dupe onídọ̀tí ti wá bàjẹ́ tán báyìí o. Àṣé irọ́ ni wípé àwọn tí wọ́n mú ń fi ẹran tòlótòló mu gàrí. Irọ́ ńlá gbà ni o. Ẹni jèrè. Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, Chief Sunday Igboho finally again have been vindicated. For all those people who have came out to say Chief Sunday Igboho is their enemy. This set of people, they are Yoruba people. Ọmọ Yoruba ni gbogbo wọn dẹ̀ jáde síta. Wọ́n pariwo pé olóyè Sunday Igboho pé ọ̀tá ajé ni, pé ọ̀tá àwọn ni, pé ọ̀tá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. Àwọn kan tiẹ̀ tún pariwo pé olóyè Sunday Igboho pé bàràwò pé ó lè ní. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ènìyàn, àṣírí gbogbo wọn máa ti tú báyìí o. Àwọn Dupe onídọ̀tí àǹkó, àṣírí wọn ti tú. Yes, we have said it times to that number that as far as this movement is concerned, the only person èèyàn kan ṣoṣo tí Ọlọ́run gbé fún òun ni olóyè Sunday Igboho òòṣà. Yeah, so any other person coming out they are just deceiving themselves right now. We have said it times to that number that the only person èèyàn kan ṣoṣo tí Ọlọ́run gbé fún òun ni olóyè Sunday Igboho òòṣà. Ní báyìí àṣírí gbogbo wọn ti tú, àṣírí Dupe onídọ̀tí ó ti tú. Kí ló dé tó ti fi jẹ́ pé àwọn kan wà tọ́kọ̀ jẹ́ pé kí wọ́n máa ba ayé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ lọ́fẹ́, kán máa ba nǹkan jẹ́ lọ́fẹ́, a dẹ̀ pè yín ní ọmọ Yorùbá. Kí ni problem yín? Now this prophet came out not quite long, Prophet Tibetan. He made it clear that this set of people, most especially Dupe onídọ̀tí, kò sẹ́ni tó ràn. Before the people will be saying that na politician she dey work for. Ṣé politician gan wọn gbéṣẹ́ rán wèrè? Wọ́n ránṣẹ́ inú ni bí ni. Hey, kí wá ní problem kí ló fẹ́ achieve? Wetin dem wan achieve? This Dupe onídọ̀tí, wetin she wan achieve? She came out some days ago, in fact some months ago, that yes, that they have set out some monitoring team to be monitoring all the people that are agitating for the Chief Sunday Igboho, that very soon they will be arresting them one after the other. Bó ṣe sọ tán báyìí òun ni wọ́n lọ kóra wọn lọ sí kí mo lọ pè filling station police secretariat jàre ni wọ́n kóra wọn lọ sí secretariat tán lọ sọ pé àwọn ti fẹ́ gba Yorùbá Nation tán lọ ń ju flagi irọ́, wọ́n pera wọn ní Democratic Republic of the Yorubas. At the end of the day, then catch them. My brother, my sister, what is going on? Chief Sunday Igboho will continue to be vindicated, either you like it or not. We have said it times with that number. Ẹni tó lọ ń gbé fún ẹ gbà fún ẹni tó lọ ń gbé fún. Kí ni problem gbogbo yín? Ẹni tó lọ ti lóhun ló máa ṣe. You can imagine, you think it's easy for somebody who is a billionaire to have left everything he had just for the movement? Which man can do that? Ta ló lè ṣerú ẹ̀? They say if man be God, woman be for don peme, therefore don kpai. But the only person wey be say everybody come dey surprise say this man, wetin make this man come put himself down upon say he get all the money, upon say everything dey work for am, he come say no, na Yoruba people he wan fight for. Na only Chief Sunday Igboho, and they no be ordinary. Now because God don ordain am from above. We have said it times to that number. Either you believe it or not, we are saying it. That is why Chief Sunday Igboho can escape that invasion. Easy. Ordinary person, just carry yourself now. Pé ìwọ fẹ́ máa jà fún ọ̀nà Yorùbá, pé o kàn jáde on your own, pé kò ṣe pé Ọlọ́run ló rán ẹ o, kò kàn jáde on your own, pé o fẹ́ máa jà fún ọ̀nà Yorùbá. Ìwọ tí ẹ lọ dẹ́n wò, try am now, whether you for never kpai sense. But there is God in this movement, and the only person that have been chosen is Chief Sunday Igboho. Yes, we are saying all these things because we have some proofs from the reliable source of what is going on. When these people invaded the Oyo State Secretariat, they hoisted the flag of Yoruba Nation. They were claiming they were Yoruba Nation just to tarnish the image of Chief Sunday Igboho. But at the end of it all, what happened? Wọ́n mú wọn náà ni. Mọ́dẹ̀ ṣe mú wọn, wọ́n wá ń parọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn tó ń mú yẹn gbàgbé o pé wọ́n fi ẹran chicken àti ìtàn màálù wọ́n fi mu gàrí ní opó tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ pé wọ́n ń gbádùn, wọ́n ń jayé. Who is deceiving who, my brother, my sister? Wọ́n ló tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ pé wọ́n ń jayé pé ká máa tanra wa pé bọ́n ṣe mú wọn yẹn pé àwọn gan mọ̀ pé nǹkan táwọn ṣe nǹkan táwọn ọmọ táwọn rán ṣe pé nǹkan gidi náà ṣe. You can imagine we are talking about treasonable felony here. ẹ fẹ́ gba ìjọba lóní tipátipá, ẹ fẹ́ gbà then ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àti nǹkan tó máa ṣe fún ẹni tó bá ṣe irú kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n Egbere ni o, ọkàn tiẹ̀ pa wọ́n dànù. nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn nìyẹn. ẹ̀yin wá ń jáde ẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé pé bọ́ ibà pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wọn kàn ń tanra wọn ni pé àwọn tó ń mú ìyíra san pé ìjọba kí ló tẹ̀ ń pè ìjọba Ṣèyí Mákindé ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ni pé ètò ẹ̀ ló ṣe gbé wọn lọ sóòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tó ń fún wọn ní ìtàn màálù kan fi máa run pákó kan máa fi tan ẹdìyẹ kan fi máa mu gàrí pé wọ́n mu tíì láràárọ̀ kan máa po tíì fún wọn pẹ̀lú búrẹ́dì pẹ̀lú ẹyin díndín tó wà òkè pé nǹkan tó ń jẹ nìyẹn pé àwa tó ń dì sí ìfura wa àwa náà wá rò pé ṣọ́ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa jẹ́ òótọ́ ṣá ìrọsẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yóò lè jẹ́ òótọ́. We don reason am this kind thing no fit happen for this kind thing wey una cause wey be say dem panel beat una well well. My brother my sister now àṣírí wọn ti tú o. If you go to Agodi correctional center na there those people dey o because dem charge all of them to court. Yes, after they don arrest them that time they come charge them to court. Na im they come charge them to court. The offence wey dem charge them for na treasonable felony and the consequence, the result, the punishment for that one na kpai o pé pani straight wọn ti ẹ lè escape ẹ náà. àná àwọn people yẹn dẹ̀ wá ń ṣe mí. òun ni àwọn ìjìnlẹ̀ magoti àwọn Queen B kí ló ń pè woman tó máa ń pè ní àjẹkálẹ̀ àrùn àbí I don't know àjàkálẹ̀ yes something like that nǹkan tó ń pè wọ́n nìyẹn àti black goat gbogbo àwọn people yẹn wá jáde wọ́n wá ń parọ́ fúnra wọn. kí ni problem wọn? Why is it that some people just deserve to be lying? They will be lying to themselves and they will be of the opinion that they will think they are lying to Yoruba people. Why? Àwọn ìka ènìyàn tí wọ́n sọ pé kò sẹ́ni tó rán Sunday Igboho níṣẹ́ kankan pé àwọn gangan lọ́lọ́run fi rán. Sínsìn ṣe ń tọ́lọ̀ fi wá ránṣẹ́ ṣáà tí wàá rí báyìí. Olóyè Sunday Igboho ń bọ́ àbí tó ti ń jayé tó ń ṣe gbogbo fàájì ẹ̀. Àánú àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ló ń ṣe olóyè Sunday Igboho ẹni ẹlẹ́ni kò sí nǹkan tó kàn. Owó wà gbogbo everything wà it's okay because God knows how to bless him and God is blessing him well. Yes, if Sunday Igboho needs 100 million right now àwọn tó máa kó owó yẹn lẹ̀ ti wà nílẹ̀. So what is your problem? This man came out to say okay fine let me just fight for my people because what is happening is not something that I will open my eyes and allow this to continue. That I will not open my eyes to allow this to continue. Yet you people came out and you are now trying to tarnish that man's image. Uja bless, we have said it several times, no man can cause. Now with the news reaching us have been that Dupe onítìrí irọ́ ló ń pa àwọn ọmọ tó ń mú yìí wọ́n náà wà ní correctional center ní Agodi ní Ìbàdàn ibẹ̀ lọ́n tí wọ́n mọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ ní pé wọ́n ṣe wà yẹn lásán tó bá bí kò sí ẹni tó bí da tó lè lọ bẹ̀ pé òun wá wọn ìwọ tó bá fi lọ fira ẹlẹ̀ pé òun fẹ́ wá rí àwọn pípù yìí o tiẹ̀ bọ̀ ó ti jẹ́ tán nìyẹn because àwọn pípù yìí tó ń sọ yìí àwọn ọmọ tó ń sọ yìí tí Dupe onítìrí parọ́ fún wọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa parọ́ fún àwọn ọmọ yẹn àwọn tó parọ́ fún gbà yẹn tó lọ hijack radio station ní Amúlùdú FM ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn yẹn àwọn yẹn ń sìn àwọn yẹn gan sìn wọ́n lẹ́yìn kan tiẹ̀ ti kú nínú àwọn yẹn náà ṣẹ́yìn náà ń gbọ́ àwọn kan ti kú nínú àwọn yẹn ṣóògùn ló ń lò fún àwọn people yìí ni that's another question ṣọ́ ń lògùn fún wọn ni because we don't understand this can never be ordinary. That is why this woman must be brought to book because the family of these people they can never be happy. Wọn inú wọn ò lè dùn náà kí lẹ fẹ́ kọ́ máa ṣá ọmọ ọlọ́mọ òkè ewu gẹ́ yẹn sìn tó sọ pé òun fẹ́ lọ fún piloting something like that at the end of it all pé wọ́n ṣàwá introduce kínní sáà wọn at the end of wọ́n ṣàparọ́ fún wọn pé àwọn máa pé tóun bá ti lè join o pé ilé ayé òun máa da pé tóun bá ti lè join báyìí pé gbogbo ìyà tó ń jẹ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń tà tó ń wọ́n nílùú pé kò ní wọ́n fún òun pé òun máa wà okay ẹrù bójú lásán ẹnu lásán lọ́kàn fi sọ̀rọ̀ fún ọmọ yẹn ni wọ́n lògùn fún ni kọ́ ló ń ṣàánú gbogbo àwọn ọmọ YouTube wa báyìí. That is why we are of the opinion that we should all wake up that there are some set of people they are wicked people all they are after is destruction. Wọ́n ṣàfẹ́ bà yá àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá jẹ́ àdé nígbà fún wọn. We need to wake up, all the youth need to wake up because all these things that are happening if you ask these people very well they will tell you they didn't know when they accepted. Wọ́n ọmọ gbà táwọn accept yẹ Now you people were now lying ẹ̀ ń parọ́ pé báwọn people yìí o pé hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì lọ́wọ́ o pé wọ́n ti gbé wọn ṣé ìjọba Mákindé wá gọ̀ tó yẹn ni ẹ̀yin ẹ fẹ́ wá gbàjọba mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ da everywhere rú ẹ gbébọn ẹ ń bá àwọn ọlọ́pàá jà ẹ ń yìnbọn ẹ wọ sójà uniform tẹ kọ́kọ́ wọ̀ ẹ̀ náà impersonation kan nìyẹn because ẹ kì í ṣe army ẹ kì í ṣe sójà. The another thing ẹ tún wá lọ gbébọn. Ta ló fún yín ní láísẹ̀nsì láti gbébọn? Ta ló mọ̀ yín rí kí ni Baje ìlú wo lẹ̀ ń jà fún? At the end of the day kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Dupe Onitiri ó sá lọ ni. Then ilé tí gbogbo wọn sá sí ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ where everybody knows what happened. Wọ́n finá sí ilé yẹn ni. Wọ́n make sure pé wọ́n gbé iná yẹn wálẹ̀. Wọ́n wó gbogbo ẹ̀ kalẹ̀ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni sì ti jẹ gbèsè ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ní ilé tó ń yálé lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yẹn tẹ̀ ti jẹ gbèsè náà so nǹkan tẹ ṣe da ẹ̀ ń fi òkè tó ń bá tẹ̀ lè sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ fún yín sí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì kan fún yín ní ìtàn màálù kẹ́ fi máa mu gàrí pé ká tẹ̀ ní pé tòótọ́ ni pé ṣó yọ wá yẹ pé kán wá wọlé kán tó lè sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ fún yín ní ìtàn màálù ẹran ẹdìyẹ kẹ́ fi máa run pákò láràárọ̀ kò yẹ kán wọlé yẹn náà ẹ mọ iye tí ilé yẹn wọ́ọ̀tì ní òkè oúnjẹ lẹ́fẹ́ torí oúnjẹ lọ́n ṣe wọlé àbí ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ẹ nídìí láti lajú yín o kí everybody wake up ni olóyè Sunday Igboho ó ti gba what do we call that in Yorùbá olóyè Sunday Igboho ti gba yìí báyìí yes ó ti gba yìí ó ti di ọba lórí àwọn ọ̀tá rẹ̀ now Chief Sunday Igboho has finally been vindicated either they like it or not this Yoruba nation is already set in fact everybody needs to be jubilating right now because this Yoruba nation movement is on track. United Nations is watching, everybody is watching this game. This Yoruba nation movement will definitely be actualized in no time. That is why we don't shake from beginning. All we talk about is no going back, Yoruba nation, and Chief Sunday Igboho even coming out because he knows what God has sent him. So if you are out there, you are still there, you are shouting he sure say Yoruba nation will be actualized. My brother, my sister, Emma worry, everything will be set. God is in this program. God is with these people. God is with the Yoruba people. Because the Yorubas are good people, they are loving kind of people, they are welcoming people. So God will not allow these Fulani people to take over Yoruba lands, no matter what. No matter what. For all those ones that have been lying, deceiving you that they are the ones that will get Yoruba nation. Now, gbogbo wọn wọ́n ti tì wọ́n mọ́lé o. Wọ́n ní tẹ́ bá lọ sí correctional center ní Agodi ńbẹ̀ yẹn, ìwọ tó bá tẹ lọ ṣe mistake ló dárúkọ pé o fẹ́ wá rí àwọn people, àwọn èèyàn Dupe Onitiri tí ẹ bọ̀, you are gone. Ó ti lọ nìyẹn ní báyìí wọ́n ní pé kò sẹ́ni tó lè ráwọn pípù yẹn pípa ni àná àwọn ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ ṣe mí àwọn ọmọ yẹn kéèké ó máa ṣe o ẹ̀yin youth ẹ jí ẹ má sùn Yorùbá nation nìkan ló lè ṣe Yorùbá nation is the answer. Alright, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. So on to this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. Alright, thanks and God bless.